Hi, this is Sat at Johnson RV, home of the premium pre-owned and new ones as well. Today I will be showing you the 2019 Winnebago 35F, the Sunstar. It sits on a Ford Triton V10 engine, 362 horsepower. This unit here features backup camera, rear view camera, side cameras as well. So that way when you toggle, you can take each lane with confidence. Right down here, you'll see that it's sitting on a 22.5-inch wheel. So it's the same as a diesel pusher. One of those big wheels is going to give you a comfortable ride. This right here, this is a little doggy window. Nice to have. The steps, their aluminum steps are made there at their factory. They have their own aluminum factory, their own rotocast factory, and their own wood craft factory as well. So they control from the bottom up. We'll come this way here, and this unit features the full body paint from top to bottom. Here's your entertainment on the outside. Nice sized TV with radio speakers on the outside. We'll show you the storage, pass-through storage. And one thing I want to show you is this. Underneath, check this out. That's all aluminum. They did not cut any corners. They provide you with the best product. It's not plastic, it's not fiberglass, it's aluminum underneath. It's going to be underneath the slide as well. And each component, each piece will have a serial number to it, so easily replaceable if you damage it. Here's your nice propane tank. Quick access to it, inside and out. Refill it, boom, you're good to go. Again, more storage on here. This is your water tank. Everything underneath is going to be heated. So when you blow the furnace, it's going to circulate underneath. It'll keep everything nice and warm during the winter time. Take a look at this up here. Nice power awning, one touch. Enjoy your camping setup, and then when you're ready to call it a night, one touch, that awning will go back automatically. Here's what I was talking about. Aluminum under the slides. Some more storage. There you go. This one will have a 5,500 watt gas generator. Feeds off of your fuel tank, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. Come around here, that's the exhaust for your generator. Your tow hitch that can tow 5,000 pounds, and it has a 500-pound vertical weight to it. 7-way plug right there. And then, look at there, there's your integrated backup camera, rear view camera, ladder going up to the top. Now the roof on this is fiberglass roof that's molded as well. It has a long warranty on it, 12-year warranty, parts and labor. You can walk on top also. On top of this unit, you'll find the AC, the solar panel on top as well, the ventilation. You can climb up there to maintain the unit if you wanted to. Over here you'll have, if you want to boondock, you can fill up the water tank by opening this here. It's key access, so it's safe, no one can tamper with it. Water filter, outside showers, toilet connection. It's relayed down below, and it has a black tank flush as well. So everything in the black tank can be washed out, so there's no contaminant that hang around. And it's rotocast. No carpeting on this. All right. Fuel fills right here, easy access to it. You got the 50 amp service here. That 50 amp will support those 2 AC on top. Again, it's relayed down below through here. So that way you can close it, lock it up, no one can mess with it. There's more storage here. Deep storage. You can put your table, your chairs, just throw it in there. Here you go. This Unit here features 4 AGM batteries, so you can be out there if you want to boondock for a couple days. You can work off of that. Again, aluminum underneath. More storage. That's your inverter right there, and your battery disconnect is right there. Look, long, deep storage. You can put quite a bit of stuff. And the fuses, they act like breakers. So when one trips, it just pops out. All you need to do is just push it back in. So you don't have to carry unnecessary fuse with you. It's right there. Just push it back in. All right. Side cameras on this side here for the driver. As you can see, this unit will have the awning toppers on it as well, keeping the breeze, keeping rain out of it. Look what I can do here. I'm about 170 pounds. I can just hang on to this. That's what Winnebago gives you. Strong structure. And the walls, vacuum bonded walls. It's amazing. You know, if they put that much attention on the screen door itself, just imagine what they put on the sidewalls. Strong. Let's go inside. Right here's the cab area. Look at that big old screen there. Navigation wise, it's nice and visible. All your standard stuff here. Your leveling jack controls right here. So it's auto leveling. This is what you need, just one finger. Push it, it does its job. And then when you want to retract it, again, one finger, all retract. But you can manual override it as well. Look at the view that you get in front of you. A whole lot of scenery in front. These chairs here do swivel around on both sides. Nice leather. It's a Winnebago quality. Well, let's take a look on the ceiling here. You got AC that's mounted on top, vented throughout front and back. It has a heat pump as well. More storage for you in front. Here. Here you'll have your Corian countertop with 2 sinks, stainless steel sink. Look at that. Retractable head. With all the storage you get on a Winnebago. Again, it has serial number to each part. Easy to work with, reliable. They've been around for a while, so they know what they're doing. This 35F comes with a microwave convection oven. You can warm stuff up. You can bake. You can do your turkey, your chicken, your pizza inside of this. 3-burner system. Right around here you have your dinette right there. That dinette acts as a bed as well, so you flip that level over, push this down, cushion comes right in the middle. You can sleep 2 kids there, nice and easy. Now this 35F comes with a no-code 4-door fridge. Look at how much space you get. Ice maker. Wow, it's a big fridge. And it has the raised wood as well. Nice and classy looking. Here's your TV for the living area with some additional storage here. That is the fireplace. That fireplace, not just for looks, but it acts as a heat component as well. So there's 3 sources of heat on this unit. The furnace down below, heat pump from the top, and then a fireplace. This unit is a bath and a half, so when you have guests over, they can use this rather than go through your bedroom. Again, you have that L-shaped couch. Very nice leather couch, nice and soft. It's ultra leather. You spill something on it, it's not going to soak through. Just brush it off or wipe it off. Simple as that. This becomes a bed as well if you need additional sleeping. So you got the dinette as a additional sleeping. You got a couch for the additional sleeping as well. And let's go to the main area here in the bedroom. queen size bed that sleeps east to west. You have a lot of room to walk in and out of. A lot of room on each side. But look at all the storage in the bedroom. This unit features a washer-dryer combo unit. It comes with it. It's an option that we've put on here. If you want another TV, mount another TV up here. All your connections is up there. But storage here, here, and then, look at that. So you'll be on the road for a little bit longer. Come right inside here, you'll see the main bath. Porcelain toilet with a washer right there. Nice solid countertop, and look at your big shower. I'll open this up. Look at that. I'm gonna step inside. Wow. I can turn around with my elbows. Look at that. It's handheld shower. That they advertise this as big shower, and it is a big shower. You have your privacy door here and in the front of the bedroom as well. This is sought. Call me at 253-286-0833. Thank you.